Welcome to Cyclops. Today we're going to talk about how we actually do the voltage recording on our conifer, on plants in general. So I'm going to briefly describe the plant voltage recorder that we're using. Plant voltage recorder. It's made out of 3 simple components plus a battery, and this is really very cheap to build. First component, STM32F1 microcontroller. This you can get online. It's sometimes called a blue pill. Very cheaply, between $2 and $3, $2 and €3 even. Second component, a micro SD card reader writer module. Micro SD module. Same here. This costs usually under $1. Third component, the amplifier. Important thing here, because what it does is this. We have 2 electrodes mounted on the tree, plus an earth signal, I'm calling it V ground here. Right, so these electrodes are connected to the amplifier, as is the earth. The amplifier does its magic by amplifying and outputs 2 signals into the analog digital converter of the microcontroller. This is E1 amplified and E2 amplified. The microcontroller accumulates these and simply writes them out to the micro SD card. There's a number of connections here because this is using SPI as a protocol. Doesn't matter what that is. So we have the 3 components plus a battery, and the battery is directly connected to the microcontroller as a ground, and I'm using the onboard regulator on the microcontroller board. So what I'm putting in here is well, nominally it's 5 volts, but actually it's a voltage between 3.8 and 4.2 somewhere. The regulator brings that down to 3.3 volts, which is the voltage that drives the microcontroller, the voltage that drives the micro SD card, and the same voltage also drives the amplifier. So all of this like this. All of this for auto recording, all of this is fit into one mostly rainproof case. I mean, it is a rainproof case, but it's not exactly waterproof because water coming up from below can mess things up, but rain doesn't do anything. And then E1, E2 and the ground are the wires connected to Earth and the tree. I've shown that in another video. That's it for the voltage recorder.